been throwing around their wild bait cicada this morning, trying to get a perch off the top. Couldn't manage one. I might switch over to the Perch Palm Hallion 60 in Bass Magic. Yeah, see if we can land our first fish on the handmade soft plastics by Perch Palm. That'd be pretty cool, but we'll get into it and see how we go. Here we go. What have we got here? That is not a perch. Oh, he's going. Is it a mullet or a salmon? Well, it's not an estuary perch, but it's working. It's catching fish. Oh well, first fish on the Hallion 60. Oh, there we go. Nearly off the top. Is that another Taylor, I think? That was cool. And he has chomped it. Go, man. Let go. Another Taylor. It's not exactly the target species, but still fun. Alright, so those Taylor have really taken their toll on the old Perch Palm, the Hallion 60. But she's still swimming alright, so we'll keep using it. Still got a pretty good action. Paddling away. She finally broke off. No, actually, I've been bitten off. Didn't even break. It's been a little Taylor or something in there, just bit me off. Bastard. Alright, so I spent all morning way up the river. Couldn't find any perch, so gonna race out to the sort of the entrance area now and see if we can find one out there. Tried trawling for a couple of hours, throwing plastics, hard bodies, and couldn't come up with any fish, so yeah, we're gonna cut our losses up here and head out to the entrance. Alright, so a few weeks ago I was at this same spot. I was catching a few pinkies, so we'll just have a quick flick along this bank, park the boat up, and just walk along this little channel and see if I can pick up maybe some still pinkies there, or hopefully estuary perch. That's what the goal was today. So far no good, but we'll have a go here. Here we go. What do we got here? Perch. About time. Oh, when am I going to bring him up? Solid fish too. Oh, we searched far and wide this morning. Finally a starboat. Found an estuary perch. Solid fish too. And the Z-Man soft plastic. And I'm getting a wet foot. Alright, let's throw him back. Alright, so I was using the Hallion 60mm soft plastic by Perch Palm earlier this morning. I switched over to the Z-Mans because I was losing a few of these Hallions in the heavy structure, and I don't really have, this is my last one, so I didn't have enough to spare. So I switched over to something else until I found some fish. Switch back and give it a go. There we go, finally. Oh, what have we got here? Nothing, just a feisty little perch. Finally. Took us long enough. There we go. Finally, my first fish on the Hallian perch palm. There we go, on the drop. Look at that. Nice little perch. Let's see if we can keep getting them. There we go. It's a bit better. That's another healthy one. I'd say conditions are actually a little bit challenging. We've got the tides running out here, it's charging out in this little channel, and then a crosswind as well. And because I was down to my last lot of jig heads, I've only got really light jig heads. It's making it a little bit difficult. I've just got to work the lure down with the tide so I can keep in touch with the bottom. Because if I try and go against the tide, I just can't get the lure to the bottom. So that's what we're doing, and she's paying off. Oh, you're joking. Dropped him. He was a big fish too.